few words on fiscal policy. First of all, we can know what is meant by fiscal policy. Fiscal policy involves the use of government spending, taxation and borrowing that affect the level and growth of aggregate demand and output and jobs. And fiscal policy is also used to change the pattern of spending and on goods and services. And it is an instrument of microeconomic government, and it corrects the free market failures such as pollution. Okay, let's see what are the objectives of fiscal policy. The main objectives of fiscal policy are development of effective mobilization of resources. Under this, they are saying the principal objective of fiscal policy is to ensure rapid economic growth and development. These objectives of economic growth and development can be awarded by mobilization of resources. The center and the state government in India has used fiscal policy to mobilization resource. The financial resource can be mobilized by taxation, public saving and private saving. Okay, let's can see some few words on tools of fiscal policy. The government use fiscal policy to influence the economic by adjusting and revenue and spending levels. And fiscal policy is based on the theories of British economist John Maynard Keynes, which state that increasing or decreasing revenue and employment and the flow of money through the economic system